Hello and welcome. This is a drink called How to Make Iced Carbonated Mocha Mandarin Orange. First thing you gotta do is you put the ice cubes into this mug, and then after that you pour in the hot cocoa mix. You in the mug, and here you pour in the coffee, which is strong or just regular coffee, and then you add in the milk, and last but not least, you open up this can of the Mandarin orange carbonated water and you pour it into this mug. Gotta taste test it. And then put a little more of that. And here you go. Here is your iced carbonated maple mocha mandarin orange. Thank you for watching, folks, and have a great week.